Haven Lighting is excited to announce the ultimate hands-on training experience for landscape lighting professionals. Beginning on February 5th, 2024, this 5-day event will feature training from industry leaders in the fields of landscape lighting, hardscape lighting, holiday lighting, core drilling, marketing, business development, and much more. The 2024 Haven Lighting Training event promises to be an exciting and informative conference for anyone interested in getting started in the industry or taking your current business to the next level. This course covers everything from basic to advanced installation skills, how to grow, market, and run your business, and how to expand into new fields such as holiday lighting. Whether you're new to the industry or a veteran installer who wants to sharpen your business skills, there will be something for everyone. Our 5-day training event begins with the basics. If you know nothing about landscape lighting, day 1 will get you fully caught up, and even pros will benefit from learning and practicing the fundamentals. Followed by 2 days of advanced techniques. These techniques will teach you about the most cutting-edge product technology, installation tips and tricks, and how to level up your business tool belt to put more money in your pocket and take your business to the next level. Day 4 is a full marketing day. No one knows you exist if they can't find you online and see your work. We'll cover everything from YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, online advertising, and everything in between to help you reach the widest audience possible. And then we'll close things out with a day devoted completely to the holiday lighting business. December can become your busiest month with what you learn at this event. You'll get a one-of-a-kind hands-on training in our huge 6,000 square foot climate-controlled training facility from the experts at Haven Lighting, industry veteran and core drilling expert Michael Zuzack, and Mr. Christmas himself, Jason Guyman of ChristmasLights.io. This fully immersive hands-on training has limited space, so act fast before it fills up. Learn more at havenlighting.com/training.